Welcome. This is a calm, grounding, full body yoga practice for all levels. Come into a comfortable Sukhasana, sitting tall but relaxed. Let your shoulders drop. Take a deep breath in and a slow breath out. Bring both hands in front of you. Make a gentle fist and open the fingers wide. Repeat slowly. Feel the warmth building in your hands, waking up circulation. Stay connected to your breath and let the movement be steady and easy. Now start rotating your wrist. First in one direction, making slow circles. No rush, just lubricating the joints and letting softness into the hands. And then the other side. Place your fingertips on your shoulders, elbows out to the side. Begin to draw big circles with your elbows, opening the chest up toward the sky and then rounding forward. Feel the upper back open. Then feel the chest expand. Now in reverse direction. Inhale while making the circles and bringing the elbow forward. Exhale while taking the elbows back and looking ahead or towards the sky. Now bring your left hand gently to the right side of your head. Press your neck down to the left. Just a gentle stretch. Take a few breaths in. Come back to center. Switch sides. Right hand on the left side of the head. Press down to the right. Breathe into the side of your neck. Let the shoulders stay soft. Release. Slowly fold forward into child's pose. Arms can reach forward or rest beside you. Allow your forehead to settle onto the mat. Feel your breath move through your back. Expanding and softening with each inhale and exhale. Let this be your reset for the morning. Slowly rise up to your hands and knees. Inhale, drop the belly, open the chest. In cow. Exhale, round the spine, tuck the chin. In cat. Move slowly, following your breath. Let the entire spine feel soft, warm, and fluid. Inhale, opening the chest, looking up. Exhale, round the spine and down. Do it for 3 more breaths. Relax. Extend your right leg back and left arm forward. As you exhale, draw the elbow and knee together. Inhale and lengthen again. Exhale, draw the elbow and knee together. Inhale and lengthen. Continue for a few rounds. Exhale, bring elbow and knee together. Inhale, lengthen, parallel to the mat. We will switch sides. Extend your left leg back and right arm forward. Exhale, draw the elbow and knee together. Inhale, lengthen again. Do it in your own pace for 3 breaths. This wakes up your balance, your focus, and your strength gently. Release and come back in tabletop position. Tuck your toes, lift your hips, and come into mountain pose or downward dog. Option to pedal out the feet here. It's okay if your heels are not touching the floor. Feel your spine long and supported by your breath. Inhale and exhale it out. Inhale, and as you exhale, slowly walk your feet forward towards your hand, maintaining the balance. Hold opposite elbows for ragdoll and sway side to side if that feels good. Release any tension lingering in the back of the legs and spine. Slowly roll up to standing, stacking the spine gently. Come into Tadasana. Feel the feet rooted. Reach your arms and fingers up toward the sky. Grow tall. You can lift your coming into a full body stretch. Take a deep breath in and exhale gently. Release. Step your feet wider and sink down into Malasana. Hands at heart or on the mat to maintain balance. If your heels are raised, that's completely fine. Or you can put a mat or any solid thing under your heels. Feel your hips opening and your breath steadying. Stay for a few slow breaths. Come to a comfortable seat. Rest your hands on your knees or lap and close your eyes. Take a long breath in and a slow, complete breath out. Let the body relax and the mind soften. Let yourself arrive fully into your morning. Stay here for a few quiet moments. When you're ready, gently blink your eyes open. Thank yourself for showing up. Namaste.